I have never seen a brand new leaf.
I have. I feel like I volunteer this tribute.
Corvette wasn't there last night, and Charlie didn't stick around the whole night, so I don't know.
Sounds about right. God, Lee, look at this.
I like it. I mean, I like the 10-hour days.
Yes, sir, what?
There's something cinematic about watching you struggle with that.
I didn't want to pop them off, but I only have circles.
I think that's getting worse.
No, it's not. Now that they're gonna activate IRR, it may be getting worse.
So your turn, Chris.
Are those ramps?
When it goes bad, your fault. Gonna go the old Duke Boy style, huh?
Gotta do what you gotta do, you know.
I like it.
I love you, Dad. You're funny.
I'm gonna cut these fenders off and make them so they fly.
Removable, yeah.
You're getting too old for that.
Nah, it's never too old for this.
There you go, pick up. My brother loves to pick up.
That's why it was so far up. Really? You're not even old. It doesn't matter. It is beautiful. Tiny. Alright, straight back. A little straight. There you go, yep. Keep cranking, keep cranking, keep cranking. More. More. Yeah. Yeah, keep going. Keep turning. We gotta go that way. Yep. That's perfect. Just like that. Come on back. Crank them. Alright, now this way. More. Perfect. Come on back. Turn that way a little bit more. Good. A little more. There you go. Alright, straight up. Alright, come on back. You should have a push into the thing. Yeah, come on back. Come on, going. It's a lot smaller than what we normally put in here. Keep going. You're not even far enough to get the swing under. Keep going. Right about there.
The back?
Oh, you're just pull all the parts in the Corvette.
Duh.
Well, not everyone treats their really nice cars like that, Joe.
Just little boxes.
It's going to be more just boxes.
Hey, is this a modern conversion, or is this just replacement stuff?
What's that?
Is this like a modern conversion of anything? Of any plate?
The only modern thing is that ignition thing is in there, I guess.
Alright, you're gonna need to get an alignment too when you're done.
Oh, yeah.
I was taking it straight to the alignment place, just like straight up. That box, probably don't need
Hey, at least yours got freaking rubbers.
yeah,
Toyota. I know, dude.
You bought Toyota. Oh yeah.
I did. You would think that would mean you would get some good shit. So everybody said no.
Survey says
That was all. Instructions for 70. Steering pitman, tie rods, ball joint,
upper. Is that upper?
tie rod,
Lower, upper.
another freaking ball joint, another tie rod. Another tie rod. Okay. In or another tie rods.
Tack? Okay. Okay.
Was the tack not working?
I don't know, I guess we'll fix that. Hey, is the tack not working?
That's working now.
So do you,
I took it in the garage, it was acting up, and then it started working again. I think it slipped it out of the,
I'm gonna throw this back in there with your gear screw.
I got some extra parts,
They brought goodies, man, look at this shit, bro.
What's the big springs?
Yeah.
That's a little bit with neon hair.
The diff?
No, I don't. They're in the windowsill. Alright, so this is the box of we may not be doing today, but we may.
Well, those like that's like interior and stuff.
Woo, look at them.
Those are pretty. Back.
You got a gasket?
I'm not sure we need that. I think it's for a radiator, I think.
Radiator shroud seals, okay, why not?
Is that what
Is that what that is, Dan?
oh, this is sway bar. Might be on something here. I'm fishing them. Should be one more sway bar.
I thought it was doing all film.
He's still making tricks.
Hey, that's easy though. Throw the control arms up on here and throw them in.
Yeah.
I'm not doing
I'm not.
on that. I'm not gonna do it all at once and in individual.
Yeah. Oh wow.
What? Sway bar over there?
No.
No, that's.
Leaf spring.
Oh, golly. And now. You know, I've never seen a brand new leaf spring ever.
Whoa. Whoa.
I have never seen a brand new leaf spring.
I have. I feel like I volunteer this tribute. Well, that sucks.
But
This is supposed to be glued in here.
oh yeah.
I mean, it doesn't really matter because it's gonna.
Get pressure down.
Yeah.
We got glue. We can. Do you have any adhesive? Epoxy? Maybe.
This is a composite.
No way,
Yeah.
dude.
It is.
Oh my gosh, that is. Dan, how much? How much you spend on this?
I don't know.
This composite leaf spring, bro.
That came with broken glue, by the way.
Yeah, I won't worry too much. That is nuts,
Yeah.
dude.
I've never
seen a composite leaf spring.
I hope it's the right one. Is it the right one?
We'll find out.
Yeah, it's a little early for that kind of knowledge.
Wow, I've never seen. You did not spare any price.
Nope, she's gonna have a full
All
new roof ride in there.
How much you pay for the vet?
8.
So we've got
Yeah, 8 and parts of it.
pretty much a full suspension upgrade for this thing.
I think it's
Shocks. We're not doing front shocks or rear shocks?
I put the new front shocks on.
already.
Oh, wow.
I did that myself. It was pretty quick.
It's gonna ride very stiff when we put this stuff in. Especially, I don't know how these feel. These composite leaf springs?
That's crazy.
I've never seen composite leaf springs. Those are not real. Those are fun. Cool, pick them up. Yeah, that's not.
We'll really know once we pull the old one out. We can
Yeah.
hold them side by side and know what kind of weight you're losing. But this thing is
The guy, Canada, he wasn't the sharpest one.
Where'd you go?
Zips down in Richmond.
That sounds like a good place.
So what year is this thing, Dan?
73.
73. How long you had it?
About a year.
Well, she's gonna ride like she's on rails with all this. So what do we got? We got inner and outer tie rods, upper and lower ball joints, freaking pitman arm or something along those lines. Idler arm, I think is what those are called. We got bushings for everything. Rear struts, the front struts are already on. Draglink bars, a composite.
What we think?
Freaking sway bar, or no, leaf spring, composite leaf spring. Springs for the front.
Back.
No.
You replaced the fronts, you said.
No.
Stretch, yeah,
The
sure.
springs should, because you're not going to put a leaf spring and springs in the back.
You could.
I mean, you could, it'd be a little overkill, but.
What if you
You don't know what Dan's pulling, how many G's he's pulling, bro? It's fucking Dan, dude.
Yeah, so we're gonna get this thing up in the air. All right, so yeah, we're gonna get on, start on this. Gonna get it out in the air. It's gonna be a bunch of tear down and build back up, and we'll see how she looks. But we'll talk to you as we go.